hold up. This shit be like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive.
I'm thankful na.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, guys. I'm so excited.
Then, hi guys! So, another day, another adventure with Dan!
Hello, Bali. Here we go.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Yeah, we're going to Bali. Our flight is at 3 a.m. 3:45 a.m. to be exact. And it's currently 12:32 a.m. And we're here in Terminal 3. So, ngayon, ito yung gamit namin. This is my maleta. And his maleta. Look at the difference. I'm so sorry. I'm just a girl. So, fun fact.
Natin to.
Wait, fun fact. It's our first time to travel together.
First time.
After, ilan na ba? How many years of friendship? 12, 12.
Almost 15.
Yeah, almost 15. So, ito talaga yung ultimate test of our friendship.
Pag-aaway ba kami?
If mag-aaway ba kami or not.
Alam ko
Because
na.
it's just us two. So, yan.
Pagpapakawin natin yung bag natin.
Bye! See you later. Okay, this is the moment of truth. It's
Sana hindi
19.8.
mainit.
Please don't get lost. I'll see you in Bali. Okay, so naka-check-in na kami. And, syempre, the next stop is the immigration. And then, we'll eat. I think sa Starbucks. But, yay! See you, Bali! Grabe, the last time I was here was during Eras tour in Singapore. So, that's February. And, nagpapapalit ako ng SGD nun. Kahit anong money exchange or currency exchange here in the airport does not offer it. So, hindi ako nakapagpapalit. Doon na lang ako sa Singapore nagpapalit. But, yeah, oh my God. It's been 6 months? No, 5 months since the Eras tour. Tama ba? 4 months ba? April, May, June, July. Oh my God, 4 months. It's been 4 months since the Eras tour. And I miss it. I miss it. I miss Eras tour week. I miss Eras tour week. I can't believe na it's time for another travel! Yay! So, first things first, e-travel. So, you have to scan this code. Dati kasi, siya, like through papers. I'm not sure if they still allow papers. But, syempre, technology, digital world, it's already online. So, I already filled out mine. Yeah, departure. So, yay! See you, Bali! So, we're finally in the airport. Kasi tapos na kami sa immigration.
Like, 1 minute lang. Less than.
So now, for then, sadly, sarado na yung Starbucks. Kasi gusto niya mag-Starbucks. But I don't wanna. Kasi I don't want coffee in my body. I wanna sleep. Oh my God! So loud. What I wanted is McDo. What the heck? Walang McDo sa Terminal 3. Nandun yun sa labas. So it's so sad. But I have food. I have like pastries over here. Okay, so I'm listening to Den's favorite Taylor song. And it's kind of so sad. Never lose you. Hope it never ends. See it again. This is so nice. Pwede ba itong pang-run?
No.
Pagtanggal mo.
Narinig mo na yun?
Oh,
No.
yeah.
Kasi, mabaho yung
I mean, pwede, pero choice mo, di ba?
Choice mo.
Okay.
tiktok mata.
Okay, this is so cool. You're such a cool kid when you wear that. So we're done here eating at Blue Smith. Wait, I'm just gonna finish my last cookie.
Wait, tawag ko na.
Yeah. But I forgot to show you guys. Then, ate a pancake and coffee. I cannot drink coffee at this hour. Kundi gising ako buong magdaba. And I just ate the cookie that I brought from home. Okay, cookies mukbang. Can you even hear it? Okay, so we're now doing the first TikTok transition here.
60 seconds ba yun?
Okay, so we're currently on our gate number. So si Den, nag-charge siya doon. Over there. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba yung iPad Kid na nandun sa gilid. So nag-charge siya ng phone. Kasi low bat daw siya. But yeah. Time check, it's 2:30. So we still have approximately 1 hour. But I think around 3 magbo-board na kami. So yun. See us. Where are you? Ba't ganun? Hindi ka nakikita. Oh no.
Gate 4.
Okay, wait. One.
Tatakpan mo na.
Hi, sleepyhead.
We're boarding now. Yay!
Yeah, I'm so
After-
sleepy.
Yeah.
So sleepy. Sana hindi siya bumpy ride. Sana makatulog kami.
Oo, ayoko pa naman ng turbulence.
Yeah, please, please, please.
Kinda scary.
Time check, it's 3:17 a.m. And hopefully, 3:45 makaalis na siya. So we can arrive on time in Bali. And, yeah. Excited na ako dumating sa Bali and then kumain. We cute. So we're almost inside. Almost inside. Kasi ang daming pila. It's a blockbuster and a full flight to Bali. Okay, so 10 minutes later, 3:25 a.m. We're in the aisle. I don't understand kung bakit nag-open na sila ng gate when in fact, the door is not yet open. So what happened is, we're all lined up here in the aisle. Which is bummer.
Re-retire?
Matutulog. We're sleepy. Good night.
See you on Friday.
Welcome to Bali. Good morning. So time check, it's 8:01. Apparently, akala ko 6 kami darating or 7. 8 pala. Pero ang tagal nag-landing yung plane. Ang tagal niyang nasa taas. Parang in-announce na magla-land in a bit. Tapos nagising na ako. And then nakatulog pa ako before nag-land. Parang nagulat na lang ako nag-land siya. But welcome to Bali!
We look like that.
So, ito yung playlist ko, the entire song. Dinownload ko yung buong TTPD anthology. And I think it played for like 3 times. Napaulit-ulit. But, thank you, Mother, for good sleep. I didn't have a good sleep. Parang pagsakay namin ng airplane, pumikit na ako. Natulog na ako. And then, yeah, natulog naman ako. Up until nag-landing. So I'm done with the immigration. So this is the immigration, but I did not pass through an immigration officer. Ano lang, yung something. I just filled out their e-visa application for exemption. And then, dun ako sa robot dumaan. Okay. I'm waiting for them so I can get my baggage. Let's go. That's my baggage right there. There you go. But that's gonna ikot naman.
I'll get it.
Okay. That's my baggage. That one. She made it in Bali. Ay, sorry. Yay! She made it in Bali. Hey, Pinky. Let's go. I'm so happy. Hindi siya nawala or what. Thank you, Lord. Because most of my stuff are here. But, nandito din sa backpack ko yung like, pang first day and second day ko. Just in case lang. You know, hope. Just in case mawala. Oh my God, it's cold. 8. Bili kami ng SIM card dito sa XL Akshata. So, it's 18 GB plus 16 GB, 250k IDR. And then I also withdraw money over there sa BNI. I withdraw 1 million. So, I'm a millionaire! So, yun. After this, magbubuk kami ng Grab pa hotel. And then, probably, when we arrive to the hotel, hopefully, pwede yung early check-in, but we did not advise the hotel. If not, for sure, iwan lang namin yung gamit namin. And then, eat somewhere. Eat breakfast or whatever. But, yeah, we're in Bali. I'm so pumped to be here. Parang ang tagal ko na itong nasa bucket list. And I can't believe that it's finally happening now. Parang ito na lang yung last few countries sa Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia na hindi ko napupuntahan. Except for Myanmar and Laos and Timor-Leste. I mean, those three, I'm not sure if magkakaroon pa ako ng motivation to go to separately. But we'll see. We'll never know. Kasi my next trip after this is Japan na. So, parang to have a trip after that, it's a big pressure. Parang the expectation will be high after Japan. But I've been to Indonesia before, but just Batam, nearby Singapore. Parang nag-tri-city tour kami. After college, Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Well, Malaysia is near in Singapore. Pero yung Indonesia, I mean Bali specifically, is a whole, different place far away from Singapore. So, Batam lang yung napuntahan namin. I remember riding a ferry from Singapore and going to a temple, Buddha temple or something, and eating Indonesian food that I did not like. So hopefully now that I'm older, I'm gonna appreciate more the food. And yeah, I'm so young then. Parang I was just 20. So yun. Okay, ang tagal ni din. But we're gonna be done soon. So, hi, vlog update. We're in the Grab lounge. We booked via Grab.
Transport like Singapore na thing.
The Grab is here. Wait. I need... Can you help me, please? Thank you. It's here. Talks. Hey. Wow, that's nice. Diba? Parang handar yun. Wanna be.
May jeep at papuntage.
Yeah. Okay, so time check. It's currently 11:23 p.m. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa hotel. Then is checking in over there. And tinignan ko lang yung pool. Because it's so nice and walang tao. So, 2 hours din. Almost yung biyahe. From airport to Ubud. And, yeah. Nakatulog naman kami both. Kasi nga, puyat-puyat. And, yeah. Very excited. Hopefully, maganda yung room. This then, what? So, time check, 11:54. And, thankfully, pinayagan kaming mag-early check-in. So, nakabihis na kami. Hi, then. Harap kami ng pool. I'm gonna show you. Here's the pool. And, here's our room. Okay, I'm gonna tour you. Okay, I'm gonna vlog you. So, this is a twin room. Here's our stuff over here. And, here's the bed. Saan mo gusto? Dito. And, there's a TV also.
Dito.
And cabinet. Oh, thankfully it's spacious enough. And, here's the CR. Oh, it's pretty spacious. Not bad. And, yay! I like this sink. So big. Here's the outfit for today. So, maganda yung weather today. Not really hot, but not cold. So, it's a good weather. And we're gonna go in a bit. Okay. Bye, guys! We're gonna be staying here for 2 nights. Let's go. Me is plain and prints bag. Sida naman is prints and plain bag. So that's our OOTD. And this is mine. Can you see? OOTD. It's the OOTD for you guys. So we're gonna go. We're really gonna go now. So, ang plan is mag-rent kami ng motorbike. Just because wala namang transpo dito. Other than Grab. Or I think may angkas din sila like Gojek. But we're 2 people. How would we fit on that? So, oh my goodness. Ayan o, puro motor yung
Turn right and then...
turn right and then, yeah, cross the road because it's in the left side.
Stop the car.
Pili ka na dun din. Don't just cross over like that. Oh, this is the yoga center. Fire class, flow class. So is it time to try yoga in Bali?
I don't know if I want to go yoga.
I don't know. But dito. Ayan pala.
Come on, like
Small is okay. Small is okay.
100, yes. It's okay.
How much for whole day?
Yes, 100
You can
per
check.
day.
You can
100
check
per day.
which one you want.
Okay. How much
100.
per day?
Per day.
But today is half day.
Eh, hindi ba balik mo naman yun naman?
Ganun din.
It's kind of big. Ito na lang, okay.
I want white.
Or ito.
Ah, that's cute. Is that big?
Big.
This one's big.
Yes.
Parang maganda to pag saka yun.
Parang this one's cuter. Diba?
You have helmet?
Yes. 2 helmet.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's pay.
So this is the helmet and it's pink.
What they need.
It suits my personality.
If you want going to shopping or lunchtime, please be careful for parking, right? If you wrong parking, police come to your bike, the tire, the flat. Yes, yeah. And
So this is where we rented. Ah, there's a lot of activities also. Okay.
Ito yung mga yan.
Here's our baby. Do you want to name it?
Let's go.
Do you want to name
thank
it?
you, yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
We're staying up until Friday next week.
Friday next
Yeah, but we're transferring hotel from Ubud to Seminyak.
Suminya.
Yeah.
Right. You've been going to Gili?
Billy?
Gili. In Bali, but different island.
We don't. I don't think so.
Yeah. Maybe if you have come to Bali again.
Yeah,
you're
again.
traveling, yeah.
We're just going to Nusa Penida.
Nusa Penida.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's a must be for first timers.
Yes.
So
Start already like this. Actually, you see like this, on there, you want like this, and this.
Oh, let me try again.
Yeah.
The right side pala to ka.
ayo nga no.
Hero.
Left side.
Left side.
Meron sa ground. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ito ata. Ito, papasok dito. Ito. Ayun, may parking. Sige nga, dyan may parking. Lunchtime. Hi, then. How was your first experience of driving?
It's kind of nervous.
That's
Kinda nervous.
Scoopy. And in the left side.
Madali ba natin?
Oh, wala kaya yan? Ay, no? Iwan naman nila. Na photo. Yan. So this one suggested by my friend, Momshi Jeanette. Momshi Annette suggested this place. So, ito na yung first agenda namin right away. I want ice cream. Actually, gusto ko ng shake. Alam mo, ang lamig eh. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ang lamig. Pero, matirik yung araw, pero malamig. Para siyang Tagaytay. Feels. Oh.
One crispy duck.
One crispy duck.
And one nasi goreng special.
Yes.
And one matcha latte. Ice.
Ice?
Yes.
Yeah. One ice matcha latte.
That will be all. Anything to add?
I'm good.
We're good.
Thank you.
Can you just make one?
Ang lamig. Yun lang yung comment ko. Ang lamig.
Take picture lang.
Okay, so this is the lunch area. Shucks, ang lamig. Nakaano pa ako, Sando. Oh my God, why did it so? Buti na lang may dala akong ano. Wait, may dala akong parang vest. I think I will use it because it's cold. Kahit hindi naman siya talaga like it. I know this will not help much, but it's cold. It's cold. Okay, so I'm gonna do a taste test of the matcha that I ordered. Nagbigay sila ng sugar, pero titikman ko muna if matamis na ba siya. Kasi ayoko ng matamis na matcha. It's good. It's good though. I like it. Nasatisfy niya ang matcha creaminess ko for today. Orders are here. So this one is nasi goreng special. And sa'yo ay ano yung sa'yo?
Crispy fried
Duck. And I also ordered matcha kasi I want some. So good. So good. Cheers. Kain tayo, guys. The monkey. What? Entrance?
entrance. This one. Okay. Ito pala entrance.
Okay. So we're now in the monkey forest. And ito yung parking ng wait. This one's the parking of the motorcycles. And here's the entrance. So, yeah. We are here. Ayan yung mga monkeys na tumatawid. Nakita ko kanina. Can you see? They're walking. Hopefully, hindi nila ako lapitan. Yun o. You see? Holy shit. Here's the ticketing.
Like, let's say in the big statue.
It's very much the entrance. Let's go. Thank you. Okay, we're inside dense forest.
Oh my God,
Ayan na sila. I'm gonna show you monkeys. Monkeys.
you can really ano talaga. Pero,
Ayun. Wala. Ayan. They say don't look at the eyes, so I'm gonna look at the camera. Oh, there's blinking water! Cute! Hindi umakit siya sa tao. Sana hindi siya umakyat. I'm gonna freak out. Dan! Dan! Huwag umakyat yan sa akin! Huwag ko tumingin! Daming monkey shit.
Exit yan, dito tayo.
Uy, wait lang. Baka huwag tayo dyan. Oo nga na. Papasok na kami dito sa parang cave. And there's like, you know, stones na design. So dark. Hopefully, di ba, walang monkey na tatalon dito. Because I'm gonna freak out. No, I'm looking at the camera. Ano ka na? Ayaw, din. Gusto mo yung nagpunta ng monkey forest, pero ayaw. Masampahan ng monkey. Then, ano po tayo? Monkey. Can you see the monkey? Oh my God! Ang ina, it's walking beside me. The monkey is walking beside me. The monkey, oh look. Oh my goodness. More monkeys. So I think they're eating corn. Ayan, ang cute. Aww. Ito naman, nagkukulitan sila. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Dumaan. So this is their temple. Just kidding. Ay, binatukan. Hindi pala, nagkukutuan sila. We're done with the monkey forest. And the next stop is the coffee plantation. So we'll see. 18% na lang ako. Let's see kung hanggang saan naabot tong vlog. But, okay. Okay, vlog update. We're in.
Plantation, yeah?
Yeah.
So guys, here I will just explanation a little bit in the coffee plantation. My name is Ayu.
Ayu. Nice to meet you, Ayu. Okay.
So here we have from the tree the cacao.
Cacao.
Tree, but the green is one already, and here like waiting from yellow color.
How about the red one?
This already not like from the yellow maybe. We will sing and there are already like 45 minutes. But the bit inside like the two layer cover, we up the skin one by hand like this one. And then we also skin again like that. But the shred will not connected in the pool. So you can just try, don't worry, don't thinking, don't have the pool coffee. You try the special, the best coffee because it's already the clean healthy. And then we wash, that after we wash and we dry the sun, we process make the coffee.
Whoa.
After we do ground it, you can smell.
Smells like.
So after we do ground it, and then we set things.
Okay.
It's already the pine the fodder. But the credit is already used in the drain. Left on the right, we put in a bike before it make the fodder again. Okay? So finish information now. So please go to the table. I'll make some testing for you.
Okay, so we're done with the tour. So ngayon, ginagawa na kami ng coffee for the tasting. So yeah, sobrang peaceful dito. Look. Hey then! Yan, sobrang peaceful. Look. And there's me. Can you see me? No, it's not.
It's our third destination.
Yeah, our third destination. Can you see me? Like that.
Sleepy.
I'm sleepy also. Yung weather dito, para siyang Baguio. Tagaytay, ang lamig. Mainit siya, pero yung hangin, It's very,
Tagaytay vibes.
yeah, Tagaytay vibes. So, yeah. Kaantok. Nakakaantok yung hangin, TBH.
Ano bayad dito?
Free tasting for you.
Okay.
And then I have explanation. You stop from the bit first. Citrus is good for blood coagulation. Ginger tea is good for stomach trouble. Red rice tea is good for the heart and high calcium. Lemongrass tea is good for skin, for skin body for influence.
Wow.
Flamingo tea is good for anti-cancer and control cholesterol. Saffron tea, curcuma, cinnamon is good for immune system. Avocado coffee, the new product is good for antioxidant. Pure valley coffee without sugar. Vanilla coffee is good for relaxation. Mocha chino with chocolate. Coconut coffee is good for skin and heart treatment. Ginseng coffee, stamina, energy, and last one, chocolate is good for eye figure. Okay, and then extra fresh special normal coffee from the animal. If you try the taste, you pay 55,000 for one coffee.
Okay.
Okay, try it.
Okay, so hi guys. We're gonna start trying out the coffee.
Coffee tasting! Let's
Ang
try
dami
it with
nating ano.
tea.
Dito ko, can you move here? Okay. What's first? Let's
Try first the Rosella tea.
Can I taste?
Mmm!
What?
Ang sarap! Sarap!
Sorry.
No? Matamis.
Lasa yun. Palpitation malala tayo dito.
Ginger tea. Ah, ito.
For sure ano yan.
Bagay ito sa akin kasi ako may upo.
Ah!
I love it. Kasi gumuguhit kasi yan eh.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Ginagawan kasi ako ni mami yung pag may upo.
Ugh.
Next,
Ah,
rice tea. Interesting yung lasa.
pero masarap siya, no?
Lasang sunog.
Ito? Yeah. Smells like,
Toasted rice. Rice Krispies.
yeah,
Something like that. Next is lemongrass.
lemongrass. It tastes good, I think. Lasang ano? Candy. Holes. Lasang holes. Lasang
Snow
holes.
bear.
Lasang holes. Hindi, lasang holes.
Last daw yung chocolate.
Yeah, keep on trying the tea first. Is that daluwak? Ay, what's
The
that?
luwak coffee.
Yeah, daluwak coffee.
We have the
So
luwak.
this is kinda the big deal.
Careful, yeah, don't spread, yeah, just taste it. And do I hear
Don't stir it.
not
Okay.
Let's taste this one next.
Okay, that's the last one. So that's the special one.
Next is the Bali coffee.
No, don't do the coffee first.
The tea first.
Yeah, the tea first.
Hindi sabi ni yung pag ganun to. Kapag ganun na sabi. So sorry. So this is saffron. Oh, alam nyo ang saffron.
What?
Ito yung parang super rare and super mahal
Okay.
na ano. May napanood ko sa Business Insider na ang per kilo niya is parang $1,000 siya. Ganun siya. Lasang
Mango?
sarap. No?
Yeah.
I love it. Nakabili kaya nito? Gusto ko yung ano, saffron. Next is mangosteen tea. Ang sarap. Di ba?
May lasa siya.
Candy na naman. Masarap, no? Next, let's go with
Yeah,
the
nice.
coffee. Avocado coffee. This is new.
Coffee, coffee. Wala silang matcha. This is so sad. Doesn't taste like avocado.
Actually, I don't like avocado, pero
I like avocado.
I think it doesn't taste like avocado. No? Pero, para siyang ano,
Pero
green
may
taste
lasa
white.
siya. Oh, yeah.
Green taste white. Next
Black yan?
is Bali coffee. Yeah, it's black coffee and I love black coffee.
Ewan ko lang kung makatulog pa tayo
Love
mamaya.
it.
Kape natin.
Ang tapang niya, Kat.
Oh my God.
Sobrang tapang. Pero I love it. Lalo na pag
I don't
morning.
like it. Katamis
I love
kami.
black coffee.
No, I don't.
Lalo na pag morning. So next is the vanilla coffee. Love it. It's like vanilla. Lasang kopi ko. Blanca.
Kanina ko, taste white. Ngayon, coffee ko blanc. Ang favorite ko is coffee ko.
What's this? Mochaccino.
Halas ng coffee ko brown eh.
Kalasa siya nung kopi ko siya. Pero yung cappuccino, yung merong may extra sachet sa likod ng sachet. Ganun yung lasa niya.
Amazing.
We're almost
nandito kami ngayon sa Tegenungan Waterfall. So, nalobat na yung camera ko, so I'm using my phone. So, I still have to document it. And it looks so nice, oh. And there is like a pool over there. I think kainan siya. With falls view. And then yan. I don't know. I think we have to cross over that to get here. We'll see. I don't know. Okay, so we're now here at the falls. Yan. And may parang pool bar dito sa may tabi niya. Sa taas. So, yan. I don't think maliligo ako because ang lamig ng weather. How much more the falls, diba? So, yan. I think I'm just gonna dip myself in the water, but not really. Okay, vlog update. So, we're now here. And sobrang lamig. Kaya ba namin to? Kaya naman. Woo! Lamig niya, girl. I can't. Okay, so hi guys. Time check, it's what time is it? 7:55. So, nalobat na yung camera ko kanina sa may falls. So, yun. Ngayon, paalis na ulit kami to eat dinner. Nakaligo na kami and yan, press ko na. So, yeah. This is the outfit for tonight. So, ito naman nearby.
3 p.m. until 2 p.m. For the beer and arak cocktail, we have a discount 20%.
This is nearby our hotel. Bali Hampton. What's the food? And so, ito yung menu nila. Naka-order na kami. So, since gutom kami, ako ay ordered chicken burger and pad thai. And then ordered... What did you order? Nasi goreng and pork chop. And may matcha sila. So, natatempt akong umorder ulit ng matcha. But no. Kakamatcha ko lang kanina. 1 matcha a day. Only. So, and I have water. So, I'm not gonna get water. Hi, Dan.
super hungry. I'm famished.
It's famished. Wait, I'll show you my look. This is the bag that I bought kanina sa may falls. I like it because it's big. Actually, kay mama to. Pasalubong ko. Pero syempre, we'll share it. That's what mom and I do. Bang luwag na to. So this is my outfit for tonight. Very simple lang. Okay, so ito na yung order. This is my order. I-picturean niya na. Okay lang, kaya kong tayin. Pero this is my order. Burger lang talaga yung orderin ko. And nakita ko, meron ng pad thai. So nabudol ako kasi si Den, dalawa yung in-order niya. Parehas na rice. Dahil sa gutom ko, I ordered 2 also. I didn't know na ganitong kalaki. So malamang sa malamang, midnight snack ko na lang siya. Ito muna yung kakainin ko. Mamayang gabi na lang to. Deserve natin to. Deserve natin lahat ng gusto natin sa buhay, guys. Here's the total of our order.
Tanggalin mo yung mo.
Okay, sorry. Mine, then. Are we so hungry? Yeah, maybe. But do we deserve this? Yes, of course. Okay, ang unang kakainin ko is the pad
Wow,
thai
may
ko.
beat pa sila ha.
Because I miss it.
May beat oh.
What?
Beat.
Ah, yeah. Pad thai first. So let's see if this is good. I'm so sorry, guys. But this is so big. Baby,
Gagawin sarap.
kasi ano yan eh, grilled yan eh. Grilled yan. Ang anghang. I like it. Mauubos ko ba to? TBD. Okay, so I'm now eating the burger. Ayoko nung pad thai. Don't like it. I'll just eat this. It's not pad thai eh. But the burger I think is good. Ay, mukbang. Now on a hunt for dessert. Then wanted the dessert. So dessert, we will get
Chocolate.
mint chocolate.
There's matcha.
Matcha na ako today. Can I see?
Chocolate peanut butter. Salted caramel chocolate. I want that mint chocolate.
Kano ba? Okay, so ayan, bumili si Dan ng ice cream. I did not kasi it's already so late and I don't want na magising until later.
Buti na lang, isang scoop lang. Ang dami.
Kaya invite ni ate. Because I was wondering what does the praline chocolate taste like. And then she said I can taste it for free. So she gave me 1 scoop of praline and also the salted caramel one. So kind. I like kind people. Parang dalawang tao na yung na-meet ko. today that is very kind. Yung binilan ko ng bag na to, apparently nagbayad ako ng sobra, pero binalik niya. So kind, right? We're already in bed. Dan is eating his ice cream. And me is just here. Trying to make this work. Okay. Can you please stand up? Nakakainis kasi nawala yung binili ko na ano eh. Pang stand. Okay, please stand up. Please stand up. Okay. Ako pala magtatanggal ako ng makeup. So then, how was first day?
Tiring.
Did you enjoy it? Ako, I enjoy it. Like, ang baba lang ng expectation ko today. Kasi nga, it's our first day and then dumating kami ng morning. So, hindi ko in-expect na madami kami magagawa, na it will be this productive, and ang baba lang din ng expectation ko sa mga pupuntahan namin, but apparently, I enjoyed it! My favorite part of the day is... What's my favorite part of the day? What?
Ganungan Falls.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's my favorite also. Kasi ang baba ng expectation ko dun.
Me too.
Akala
Kasi
ko,
sabi, don't go.
don't go swimming. Sabi sa TikTok. And then, you know, yung mga ano kasi sa Pilipinas, parang mababato. Hindi siya nakakainganyo mag-swimming. But this one,
If we have the proper clothes, we can swim.
yeah, it's wala. So it's nice. It's nice to look at. Kahit nakakapagod, apparently siya yung nag-stood out. Yung monkey forest, okay lang din. Baba lang din ang expectation ko doon. Pero ang dami palang monkey sa loob. So parang hindi pa ako nakakita ng ganong kadaming monkey. Na nakakatakot. And then, ang downside lang ng today, I think we spoiled ourselves
To food.
with food
Too
so
much food.
much. Too much. I mean, okay lang naman. But too much is not okay. So, I think yun lang yung downside of today. But yeah, we learn from our mistakes. Tomorrow is another day. And we'll do better tomorrow. So, the agenda tomorrow is to go to Gretya Ubud, Rice Tagagalang, yung swing, breakfast at this cafe. Basta ganun, malaki kasi yung Gretya Ubud eh. Nandun na yung swing, nandun na din yung Rice Tagagalang. And we'll see if ano pa yung magagawa namin. But yeah, we will retire early. I will retire early. I'm not sure kay Den kung lalabas pa siya. But I'm not gonna. Time check, it's 9:32. So, good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Good night. Night, Den.
Good night.